So hello guys, welcome back to the video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download Opera Mini for Windows 11 PC. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on PC. Now here search for Opera Mini. Now click on this link. Now click on download and this will start downloading it. Now here you will see this option called unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on download unverified file. And now the setup is downloaded. Let's run it. Now here uncheck this option. Now click on accept and install. Click on accept. Now minimize this window. And now the browser is installed. Click on next. Click on next again. Click on next again. Click on next again. Next again. Now next. And now click on done. Now click on start browsing. And now Opera Mini is installed and you can use it. So this I can download Opera Mini for Windows and PC. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.